Kevin hooked into another one. Oh! Ah! Oh, you got away. Damn.
He's right here.
Oh, you got him?
Good morning, YouTube. Going fishing today. We were supposed to leave at 5:30, but my alarm didn't go off and I'm late. And I'm never late. But we're gonna be going to Newton today. Crappie have been hitting there, but it's been slow. Hopefully we can get on some. About to meet up with Somi, Matt, and Mitna, and then we'll be on our way up to Newton. So stay tuned for that journey. Your boy's late, but these f***ers like to take their time still. And we still have it left.
We got this, we got this.
6:30.
We're lucky. There's only 3 people in their neighborhood. Only 4 people.
Dude, imagine like living next to that.
Jet ski, dude. Just throwing some jet skis in there. Oh my god.
Damn, man. Look at that house. Soon to be, soon to be. Good morning, good morning.
Finally made it.
Like 2-hour drive. We're at Newton. Never been here before. I already swore.
Oh, this is nice, dude.
Yeah, dude. Look at my fluker pole.
Light action, quick action, whatever it's called.
Shout out to my dad for letting me use it. We'll teach you guys how to set up. My dad came here, what, last week?
Yeah, when we were out in Pine View.
And he caught a fat A crappie.
Slab, fool.
A fat A crappie. Now I don't have to bleep it out. Dude, whenever I try to bleep your swear words out,
beep, 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 beep. No, but it's like long.
You like drag it. You're like, whoa.
And he just got us like, beep. So,
Oh, you brought your big body too?
yeah, dude. Told you I'm getting some fucking action shots.
Look at Matt's new camera, y'all. How much does this cost you? 800?
Yeah, dude, it's on sale for Black Friday.
Oh, I need to get the drone. How cold are you right now?
I'm pretty cold.
I like he had to think about what he was about to say.
It's 27 degrees, dude. Oh, you guys setting up right now?
Yeah.
Okay. What are we using today? Trout magnet. I think these are from Walmart. They're these green, orange. You gotta make her happy somehow.
What color you want? White?
A happy wife is a happy life.
Yep. What would you see better?
But it's always the guy's fault. We're in trouble. Or they're pissed. Oh, what the? You really want to make a fire? About to get some drone shots for you guys. This is nice. My dad was out here last week. Caught a big crappie. And he just told us to come out, but he said it was really slow. Where the hell am I gonna land this drone? I want to get my fishing pole in the water so I can catch one before you guys. Yeah, I'm the better fisherman. Some of you just got lucky on that last trip. Yeah, we're just gonna be floating it today. We're gonna use that Trout Master. And you want to make your leader like arm length. Shout out to my dad. Look at this. Bro, that's a slab. I've never fished here before, but yeah, dude, I threw it out there and then I'm just playing with it. It's number 2. Look how beautiful that is. Dude, Vinna, I saw that, dude. Oh, you got it? Hey! Let's go, Vinna. Hey! They f***ing here. Oh, freak, I swore.
Dude, that was crazy, right?
Yeah. Hey, let's go. Dude, that's nice size one, huh?
Hey.
Show them what's up.
Pretty one.
In my bag.
Tommy, how many? 3. No, for real. A slab, dude. A slab, a big monster. See, every time we caught a fish. Oh, damn, man. Yeah, see, every time we tell Sobi we got a fish, he always comes. Hey, Vinna, let's go!
Hey, let's get it, bro.
The neon one, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Dude, we're using that neon one.
Yeah. Oh, it's right here. This is what right here. They're loving it.
Was it? Kevin hooked into another one. Oh!
Ah!
Oh, you got away. Damn.
He's right here.
Oh, you got him? What?
Oh, fuck, dude.
Show the camera. Show the camera. Ooh.
Dude, I got my shoe wet for that. It's all good, though. That's what we come here for.
Yeah, I think it's kind of out of focus.
Dude, it's where you were, dude.
I know. I don't know why I can't hook him. Kevin's killing it. What is that? 6?
7.
7.
See, it's hitting on that,
Yeah, I might need to make it longer.
Oh, barely came off.
Good shit. Kevin lost his
Dude, I just lost my bubble.
Oh, Kevin.
And Somi caught it. Dude, that's my dude.
Got you, dude.
That's my dude,
you
dude.
came off. Yeah, it came with the camera, dog.
Oh, no, I have extra battery. Oh, I cooked it, though. Look, my bubble came off. And Somi caught it back. Clutch, dude.
That's how you
Clutch.
do it. That's a good size, dude.
Shout out to Mina. Get this fire going because it's cold.
Now we caught some fish, but not a lot. Taking a break, regroup.
It was like 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock.
We're at 11:33.
Yeah, 11:30 and then it died down. You guys want to try a different spot or?
Where?
I don't know, I've never fished here before.
I fished over there and over there. Those are the only spots I can tell you. You want to eat first? And then,
Yeah. Go find them.
Yeah.
We'll just go find them.
Go driving.
It's just like hunting, you just gotta go find them, dude.
Like Pine View.
Yeah, like Pine View, man. We moved around like 4 or 5 spots. How we feasting today, dude?
Short ribs, rice, and
How we gonna cook the rice?
we didn't bring aluminum foil, huh?
No.
Cold rice it is.
Hell no. Hey, that.
What is it?
That sounds terrible.
What? Cold rice?
Yeah.
Cold what? Sticky rice?
No. That's why I told you I should have just cooked it.
My mom already made it, dude. You want to tell her that she's wrong?
No, I'm not saying she's wrong. I'm not bad, dude.
How we do it out here?
You gotta eat and fish, dude.
When the fish don't eat, we eat.
Thank you.
Yo, finished product.
Is that
Good
me
or
or is
not?
that someone right there? Just a fillet.
And that lower lip.
Yeah. We got something.
Huh?
Got something.
You can see that fun?
You got something? No.
Uh-huh. Guy in here in navy blue.
Yeah, today sucked for me. Kevin and Mitna caught about 8 in total. Mitna let go of a small or largemouth bass. But other than that, we just sucking. And there's still people fishing, but I don't know if we should keep trying.
And round 2. And here we are again, folks. Made a stop here at Cutler. Is it Cutler Reservoir?
These guys won't even give up because they got skunked.
I got skunked at Newton. We over here at the next one. Next best thing.
Watch us catch some slabs,
If you guys don't catch anything here, oh my gosh.
Man, I just want to go with my jacket.
How salty this pool is right now. I told you I was a better fisherman. I even told them at the beginning. Come on, Salty. Let's see some work done.
Yeah, if I can find my pole.
It's in there somewhere. Am I the only one gonna fish?
No, I just don't want to show you up.
Just the water. Can't get it. Can't get it.
Good luck. Are you going up? You going out there too? Mr. Salty out there, dude.
Fall into like a bucket. Just right into the water.
So salty. The look of disappointment.
Got 2.
Let's see. Open it. It's unlocked. Just gotta pull really hard. It's heavy. It's a really heavy tailgate.
How'd y'all do?
No bite? Nothing?
No bites, no. I feel like this, because it's like a stream under the bridge, so I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to dig for this one.
Oh, my back and back out. Hold up.
Was it worth going out there?
No.
We home, boy. We home. How many did y'all catch?
Shut up!
L's, dude.
I took a big L today, dude.
L's.
I had 1 bite, then it said
Took L's for the Yeezys. Took L's in fishing.
You take L's every week.
Yeah, dude. Check out our catch. We home. Catch y'all on the next fishing trip.